Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Write the decimal value of the fraction 5 by 1000. So 5 by 1000 is the given fraction. Here we can see this fraction have 3 zeros in denominator. So we have to convert this fraction into decimal number. So we'll draw a table for that. First of all, we'll take a decimal point. Now, as it has 3 zeros in the denominator, so we can say 10th position will come, then 100th, and then 1000th. Now, let us place the values. So, decimal point is represented by point. Now, we can see the numerator is 5. And we have 3 zeros in the denominator. So 5 will come in the thousands place and rest will be filled with 0. So finally we can say that this fraction 5 by 1000 can be written as 0.005. So this is our answer. And 0.005 is option A. Hence we can say that the correct answer is option A.